Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to share an iPhone setting for you guys that sometimes can be like a problem for some and sometimes is the solution. Now let me show you where is that setting and whether to have it on or off. Now open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on screen time. Then scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now here, if content and privacy restrictions is on, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then here we have some options here, whether to allow, we can say enable or disable, or we can say disallow. Now if we look at the second one, which is deleting apps, tap it. Here we have two options. Now what does this setting do? It actually makes you able to delete an app on this iPhone or not being able to delete that specific app or maybe any other app on your iPhone. So now it is allowed. If I go and try to delete an app, tap and hold, and then tap on remove, okay, I can delete it. All right. So it is just like a normal setting. Just cancel now. Let's go back. Now, if I tap on don't allow, tap and hold ChatGPT here, tap remove. Now that delete option is not available anymore. So even if I tap on remove from home screen, it will just be removed from the home screen. It means that you can still find it in the app library. So you can still have it in the app library and then you can add it back to the home screen to this page or another page. Just cancel. Let's try it again. Tap and hold. Not only this one. Let's try this. The Files app. Remove app is just have removed from home screen. So why this can be like a problem? Maybe you have or someone else has toggle this one, or we could say make it like disallow. You would try to remove some apps, but you can see that at this time, maybe for you, it is like a problem. But sometimes it is the solution. If you give your iPhone to your kids more often, sometimes for any reason, you can toggle that setting, or we can say you can set it at disallow. Why? Because that person or that kid cannot delete your apps even accidentally. They can remove it from home screen. It's okay, no problem. You can bring it back to the home screen. So don't forget, you can go to the settings. Okay, let me show you again, guys. And then this is the main settings. Okay, scroll down to screen time. Then scroll down again a bit, content and privacy restrictions. Just tap it here. And then the first option, iTunes and App Store purchases. Here the second, deleting apps. So make sure it is allow if you want to be able to delete your apps. If for certain situations you want to prevent others from deleting your apps even accidentally, you can set it at don't allow. They and you won't be delete any app on this iPhone. If you want to have that option back again, just tap on allow and that's it. So that's we can say a hidden iPhone feature available or hidden setting. You can have it allowed or disallowed. It's up to you. It depends on the situation. So if this helped, make sure to share with your friends, subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.